Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Ionity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the general section, click on the notifications button. And as you can see, these are the two options that you can enable. So to receive notifications when it's charged to 80% or 100%. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable, and once it turns orange, it means that the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.